What if, one ordinary day, the Earth suddenly stopped rotating? No warning, no slowing down, just instant silence. Right now, our planet spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. We don't feel it, but everything on Earth depends on it. Day and night, weather patterns, ocean currents, even gravity itself. So what would really happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Would cities survive? Would oceans stay in place? And could humans stay alive? Welcome to What If Lab. Let's find out. If Earth stopped rotating instantly, everything on its surface would keep moving. At the equator, that speed is faster than a commercial jet. Buildings, trees, people, and animals would be launched eastward at incredible speeds. Skyscrapers would collapse. Cars would be torn from roads. Anyone outdoors would have almost no chance of survival. Only people deep underground, like in bunkers or subways, might survive the initial chaos. But this is just the beginning. The oceans wouldn't stay calm. All that moving water would continue sliding eastward, creating mega tsunamis thousands of meters high. Entire coastlines would be erased. Water would surge toward the equator, flooding huge parts of the planet. Many islands would disappear completely. Earth would be reshaped in just a few hours. The atmosphere wouldn't stop either. Winds would race across the planet at supersonic speeds. Hurricanes stronger than anything we've ever recorded would rip through continents. Weather systems would collapse. Rainfall would become extreme in some places and vanish in others. Earth's climate would become wildly unstable.
Without rotation, one side of Earth would face the sun constantly. The other side would be locked in permanent darkness. Daytime temperatures could rise above 100 degrees Celsius. Nighttime temperatures could drop below minus 100 degrees Celsius. Most plants would die, ecosystems would collapse. Only a narrow strip between light and darkness, the twilight zone, might remain habitable. Earth's rotation slightly stretches the planet at the equator. Without it, Earth would slowly reshape into a more perfect sphere. Gravity at the equator would increase, sea levels would change, some regions would rise, others would sink. Earth would never look the same again. Survivors would need underground shelters, artificial lighting, controlled temperatures, advanced technology. Human civilization as we know it would end, but life might not disappear completely. Microbes, extremophile organisms, and maybe, eventually, new forms of life. So, what if Earth stopped rotating? Our world would turn into a planet of extremes, violent, frozen, burning, a reminder that even invisible forces shape our survival. If you enjoyed this experiment of the imagination, subscribe to What If Lab. Because here we don't just ask questions, we test reality. What if we questioned everything? See you in the next experiment.